Hey, what if we told you that you can build your own home in under 24 hours? Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Thanks to these 5 amazing prefab homes that we're going to show you in this video, you can have your dream home in no time. These homes are not only affordable and eco-friendly, but also super fast and easy to assemble. Whether you need a backyard studio, a guest house, or a full-sized family home, these prefab homes have you covered. So are you ready to see these 5 incredible prefab homes that you can build in under 24 hours? Then let's get started. Number 5. Casita. The Casita prefab house is a sleek, contemporary, and minimal house. It is produced by Casita, a business that a former professor who once resided in a dumpster started. Casita can be used as a studio, office, or residential space, and has a 32 square meter floor area. Its exterior is made of glass, and its interior is made of wood. A queen bed, a collection of appliances, and an integrated audio-visual system are also included. Using a single app, Casita's proprietary IoT technology platform can manage a variety of smart devices. One of the most cutting-edge and effective prefab homes available is the Casita, which can be moved by crane or truck. It can be utilized for a variety of things, including temporary housing, emergency shelter, travel, or entertainment. It is made to be versatile, adaptable, and robust. To build bigger constructions or communities, Casita can also be stacked or joined to other pieces. A prefabricated home titled Casita blends style, practicality, and sustainability. It is a clever urban living solution that combines comfort, aesthetics, and usefulness. Casita is a developing experience rather than merely a house. It may be erected within 24 hours of delivery and is promoted as a housing crisis solution. Number 4. Ood House. Ood House is a minimalist, contemporary, and mirror-adorned prefab house. It is created by Ood, a business started by 2 Estonian brothers who had the concept while out hiking. Ood House can be utilized as a residence, a hotel room, an office, a sauna, or anything else with a 21.1 square meter floor area. A timber interior, a glass wall that reflects the surroundings, and a steel frame make up its exterior. It also has a kitchenette, a bathroom, and a bedroom. A smart house system that regulates the lighting, heating, cooling, and security is installed in Ood House. One of the most fashionable and adaptable prefab homes available, the Ood House can be delivered and set up in just 8 hours. Its seamless, comfortable, and practical design allows it to be installed anywhere with little environmental impact. Ood House can also be altered to meet specific requirements and tastes. Number 3. Coda by Kodasema. Coda is built of silica fume vacuum insulation panels sandwiched between thin composite panels with a concrete exterior and wood interior. The facade and interior of the structure will be robust and durable, and it will maintain the desired temperature inside and out. A tiny patio, a concrete sunscreen, and a 4-ply glass wall make up the front of the house. Their concrete is 2 to 3 times as strong as regular concrete and gets even stronger with time. Additionally, the appearance of the concrete does not alter with time, negating the need for painting and renovation. The panels have a distinctive texture and pattern due to the concrete being cast over old yacht sails. They employ softwood ZLT panels for the interior. The wood has been finished with organic oils and waxes, making it safe for both people and the environment. No chemical yields from the other panel layers can penetrate the living space because the hardwood shell is hermetically sealed off from them. Through the glass facade, a sizable amount of natural light enters the home, while the complementary interior lights provide light intensity and tone adjustment. Colder tones promote awareness and warmer tones aid in relaxation and sleep. With the help of 60mm concrete panels, a 4-ply glass facade, and a strong door, exterior noises are kept out. Additionally, the technical systems within have been built and placed to make as little noise as possible. Not to mention, they finish the interior with organic, non-toxic materials. It can be assembled within 7 hours of delivery. Number 2. M.A.Di. Imagine being able to put together your own house in less than a day. You can do it with this creative home and without all the trouble of aligning concrete blocks. While most homes require at least 6 months to build, the M.A.Di home can be assembled in just 6 hours and is entirely safe to live in. The prefabricated foldable house known as M.A.Di, created by Italian architect Renato Vidal, only needs to be assembled once on the site. The M.A.Di home does not initially resemble a typical prefab modular home. The M.A.Di home is an anti-seismic modular family home made using CLT and is manufactured by Italian wood expert Area Legno. The flexible housing is not only earthquake resistant, but also environmentally friendly. Contrary to popular belief, the M.A.Di home does not require a concrete foundation base. As an alternative, a cutting-edge screw piling system is used to secure the house to the ground in an environmentally beneficial manner. This protects the landscape's natural beauty and prevents any negative effects on the soil. With rooftop solar panels, LED lights, water tanks, and a gray water system, the M.A.Di home is simple to install. Each M.A.Di module has an inventive folding mechanism and is built of galvanized steel frames with hinges that can accommodate opening and closing motions. The M.A.Di home can be installed as a temporary or permanent construction, depending on the customer's preferences. The Italian architects made sure that the foldable house is strong enough to resist various weather conditions, in addition to being safe against earthquakes. Polyurethane foam is utilized as a thermal insulator and a waterproofing material for homes. High-density rock wool has been installed in the walls in the interim. Number 1. TF64. Why not simply fold up your house and transport it with you rather than selling it, packing years' worth of knickknacks into boxes, and relocating across the country for a new job? Tenfold Engineering, a company based in the UK, claims that the idea is fully operational right now. At the touch of a button, Tenfold's self-deploying structure expands to 3 times its original size in 10 minutes without the need of a foundation, crane, or personnel, and comes with pre-installed fittings and fixtures. According to Tenfold CEO David Martin, the idea came from the principle that if buildings were transportable, they would be more useful, since they could be where and when they were needed. Buildings are primarily made of air, so by folding the solid portions, a sizable building can be transported in a compact container. A lever-based system that uses a network of connected linkages to counterbalance one another is the foundation of the technology. Thus, despite the tremendous burden, the structure is unharmed and little power is required to move them. Any particular component of the connection can serve as the basis, thanks to the employment of carefully positioned pins in the flexible joint system. Complex locking and feedback methods are no longer required because of this. Simply explained, when the structure unfolds, some levers move up while others move down, counterbalancing one another and eliminating the weight of the burden. It is possible to construct 3 different structures using just one linkage system, thanks to the flexibility with which the foundation or fixed bar component of the linkage is specified. The unfolded constructions are incredibly strong while staying sturdy and simple to use because all of the levers are pin-joined and triangulated. Tenfold asserts that this technology goes beyond folding houses, using the necessity for a lifting mechanism as a key illustration. Tenfold uses a 2-pivot design that enables a stronger function and a longer extension point in the place of a scissor jack that relies on a single pivot point. Additionally, a wide range of designs such as straightforward fences, bridges, shipping containers, and housing structures for solar panels are currently in the design stage. In terms of a modular home, the prefab-like construction enables users to design distinctive floor plans, even stacking or connecting several elements to produce ex machina-style architecture. Tenfold also offers pre-built buildings such as the Tree House, which unfolds into a massive winged tree house, or the Moot Hall, a big A-frame tent. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching these 5 prefab homes that you can install in under 24 hours. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this one.